And open up into your goddess. With your Jaya Mudra, palms overhead in prayer, elbows open, sit back, breathe in, breathe out. Good, deep breath. Last one. Nice. Left arm under for your Garudasana eagle pose. Shift your weight towards the right leg and then bring the left leg over. Sitting back if you'd like or staying right here. Keep the breath. Last one. Let's come back into your goddess. Easy does it with your back. So this time, arms are framing your head. Elbows shoulder height and palms facing your head. Want to press the knees over the ankles. Right arm under, left arm over.